Hello YouTubers and welcome to another video. I got these radios off eBay. They're basically the Target series of walkie-talkies. You can see this one's missing an antenna. This antenna is busted, so I'm going to fix it. Put a new antenna on. When you take it apart, what you want to do is you want to pull that sticker back. And this, you want to pull this out. I actually had a tool. So there's some screws in that too you want to remove. A T9 screwdriver for this video to take the screws out. So there's two screws at the top. Two screws at the bottom. Alright, now very carefully, you want to lift this up. And just very carefully. Be careful because there are wires. That I actually should have left in there. I thought that was the bad keypad. I was thinking that this radio was this radio. But I'll just put that back in there. Alright, right here. Zoom in here for you guys. This was the bad antenna. Just put that so I won't lose that. Just gonna gently pry it up. So once you get this, basically going to sit it on like that. Got the new antenna. Just going to place it right in here. Like that. Grab the screw. What we're doing is just lining it up. So we got the new antenna on it now. Then put the screws back in there and tighten it back up. Put this thing back on. And just put these screws and tighten them up. Okay. Just put the battery back in. Put the back cover on there. Turn it on. See, it does work. That would complete the video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.